it's always been a pleasure, and it's a privilege as well to be with ACT Foundation and along with Murtigar and all the dignitaries on this dais. And my pleasure is doubly there today to be able to spend this day with all of you doctors out here. I have been working in several countries, and what I've seen during the pandemic, COVID pandemic, the reaction from the public has been terrible because of the frustration and of the anxiety they were going through. So there's one thing I always tell my patients: the facilities from the doctors which you get in our country, you will not get anywhere else in the world. I have been working in the Western world, and to get to a doctor, it takes going through the nurses, the general practitioners, and then to the specialists. So the availability of the doctors is immediate here. So the people, when they get frustrated, they take out the frustrations on the doctors. And it's very necessary for us as doctors to explain to the patients, make them know how much better the services here in our country are compared to other countries as well. So that is the only message I would like to give. I would not like to take up too much time again. And I wish you all a very happy Doctor's Day. And like I said, it's always a pleasure to work with Murthy Garu, who has been doing so many things in so many fields. Thank you.
We do health camps. You may believe it or not, 1,000 to 2,000 people attend in our mega health camps conducted by ACT now. We will be doing camps in such a way that some corporate hospital comes and write a prescription, give it to the attendee and say, you come to our hospital, we'll give you 20%, 30%. We don't believe it. We always gone and try for the medicines as well as the tests then and there done. Majority of the times KIMS and Sunshine Hospital was with us, bringing all the echo tests, and M&J Cancer Hospital bringing all the way that bus which is costing around 3 crores for the service of the people who can't afford a square meal. That was the events we do. In such events, very fortunately, whenever we call, until and unless she is not in city, Shobha Garu, as a dietitian, she used to attend, and she used to send people also. That's something extraordinary. In case if she is unable to come, dietitians will be with us. Thank you once again, ma'am, on this occasion. I would like to take Dr. Prashant Garu to come over here. A very nice speaker, but I would like to be kind enough to be.
Dignitaries on the dais, Dr. Chandrasekhar Garu, Dr. Sanjeev Singh Yadav Garu, Dr. Gopinath Garu, Dr. Shobha Madam, and Dr. Hari Garu, and all the doctors assembled here. And I don't need to say much about the work done by Dr. Murthy Garu because it has been told by other speakers, but I would reiterate that he has been doing yeoman service to the doctor fraternity who treat the marginalized, the ailment, the people who have ailments. He has been doing yeoman service. He has honored about 2,500 doctors, and I think he will continue this practice in the days to come, in the years to come, and it will not only be seen in this state but also it will spread throughout the country. I wish that the ACNO organization grows to such exponential levels. And coming to National Doctors Day, I would say that it is celebrated, as you know, on July 1st to mark the birth and death anniversary of the legendary physician Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy, who made immense contributions to the cause of promotion of science. Dr. Roy served as a physician to Mahatma Gandhi and was later elected as the second Chief Minister of Bengal. After becoming CM, he accorded top priority to the treatment of poor and needy patients. The day is celebrated to recognize the contribution of doctors who work relentlessly to save the lives of their patients. He was the first one to establish the Indian Medical Association in 1928 and the Medical Council of India. And in fact, during a self-purification fast during the Satyagraha movement, Gandhi refused to take medication When Dr. Roy arrived on the scene, Gandhiji asked Dr. Roy, "Why should I take your treatment? Do you treat 400 million of my countrymen free?" Then Dr. Roy replied, and I quote, "No, Gandhiji, I could not treat all patients free, but I came not to treat Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, but to treat him who to me represents the 400 million people of my country." Unquote. In response, Gandhiji said in jest, "You are arguing like a lawyer, third-class lawyer in a Mofussil court," and eventually relented. Such was his stature that even when Jawaharlal Nehru became Prime Minister, Dr. Roy was one of the few doctors whose advice he paid heed to. One of the doctors attending Nehru told the Washington Times Herald in 1962 that Roy is tall enough to ask Nehru to obey medical orders, and he was very active in local administration as the Mayor of Calcutta, Vice Chancellor of Calcutta University, President of the Medical Council of India, and Governor of United Provinces, and then known as Uttar Pradesh now. It was during his mayorship that the city undertook a massive expansion in free education, public health, road infrastructure, improved electricity and water supply. Following independence, Dr. Roy wanted to concentrate purely on his profession, but on the prodding of Mahatma Gandhiji, he took the office of Chief Minister of West Bengal. Mind you, this was a time of utter chaos when the region was torn by communal violence and influx of refugees. He passed away on 1st July 1962, but not before leaving behind a legacy of deep respect for the spirit of public service, which he fulfilled both as a doctor and as an administrator. It is not a surprise that when Dr. Roy passed away, the British Medical Journal called him the first medical consultant in the subcontinent of India who towered over his contemporaries in several fields. The obituary went on to argue that at his professional zenith, he may have had the largest consulting practice in the world. News of his visit to a city or even railway station bringing forth hordes of would-be patients. I would like to thank all the medical professionals present here and also all the medical professionals across the country for their service to mankind. Roman statement Cicero said, and I quote, "In nothing do men nearly approach the gods than giving health to men," unquote. Doctors, they are, as one of the speakers has said, that they are treated as God, but I'd say that they should also be treated as human beings, and it is not without a reason. And there are many people whose lives would have been in danger or would have been the victim of some disease or accident, and when it is that time when we lose someone of our own, or on such occasions, doctors are like an angel and give us a new life, but we should understand that they are also human beings, and their mistakes do happen, and there is an increasing litigation with regard to doctors. I am a practicing advocate. I have also done my MBBS, I have done my LLB, LLM, PG diploma, so I am a medical professional and also a doctor. I have done cases pertaining to medical negligence. So mainly the error which is human is treated as a mistake, which is treated as a bona fide mistake, which is not correct. The Supreme Court of India has time and again stated that doctors should not be prosecuted for errors, but if it is a gross negligence, that is a different matter. So today, when the country fought such a big war against corona, doctors have saved millions of lives by working hard and day and night. Many doctors of the country have had to lay down their lives while doing virtuous work. I pay my humble tribute to all these doctors who laid down their lives and express my condolences to the families. Towards the end, I would like to say that medicine is a profession respected by all in the society, and I quote the famous French writer Voltaire, who said, "Those who are occupied in the restoration of health to others by the joint exertion of skill and humanity are above all the great of the earth. They even partake of divinity, since to preserve and renew is almost as noble as to create," unquote. I am sure our medical fraternity will respect the good faith and trust that people have bestowed upon them. You all are empowered to contribute to the nation, to touch and transform the lives of millions. I hope that you will remain firm in your conviction to the higher objective of selfless service in society. I wish everyone present here a very happy National Doctors Day. I thank the organizers, I thank Act Now Foundation, and I thank Murthy Garu for giving me this opportunity. Thank you one and all. Jai Hind.
Kind enough to be here. Thank you so much, sir. Am I seeing Usha Kiran Garu? Are you there? Yeah, please come out to the dais, please. Usha Kiran Garu, Dr. Usha Kiran is a greatest well-wisher of Act Now, and she is the chairman of IMA at Sangareddy. Give a big hand to her, please. She came all the way, and she is our honorable director also. Thank you very much, ma'am, for being with us. Thank you so much. Now we'll take an opportunity to ask her to come over here and say as short as possible. Please.
Today, as Prashant said, today is B.C. Roy birthday and death anniversary also. So we are celebrating his birthday today. And I want to tell some words about us. వైద్యో నారాయణ హరి అని అన్నీ చెప్తారు, కానీ ఇప్పుడు మాత్రము వైద్యో నారాయణ హరి అనేది పోయింది మొత్తం. డాక్టరు పేషెంట్ చచ్చిపోయింది, కొట్టండి డాక్టర్ని, అదే జరుగుతుంది. దీన్ని ఎట్లా ఆపాలని చెప్పేసి మనము అవే దాని గురించే మాట్లాడుకోవాలి ఇప్పుడు. సో మెనీ, యాజ్ ఏ ఐఎంఏ ప్రెసిడెంట్, ఐఎమ్ అటెండింగ్ సో మెనీ నర్సింగ్ హోమ్స్ లైక్ దిస్. సో ఎవరన్నా పేషెంట్ చచ్చిపోయిందనగానే గోల చేయడం, మనీ ప్రాణం విలువ డబ్బుతో కట్టేస్తున్నారు అంతే. ఎందుకు, ఏ కండిషన్లో వచ్చినారు పేషెంట్, మనం ఎంత కష్టపడ్డాం వాళ్ళ గురించి అని చెప్పేసి ఎవరూ ఆలోచించడం లేదు. సో దిస్ షుడ్ బి, మనము ఒక సీరియస్ ఇష్యూ కింద తీసుకొని వీ హ్యావ్ టు డూ సంథింగ్ ఫర్ అవర్ డాక్టర్స్ కమ్యూనిటీ, టు ప్రొటెక్ట్ అవర్ డాక్టర్స్ కమ్యూనిటీ. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఆల్. హ్యాపీ డాక్టర్స్ డే.
Thank you so much. This is what the essence of Act Now. Now, doctors are being humiliated, but doctors are being brutally attacked, doctors are being abused. And ironically, as our chairman said, Dr. Sanjay Singh Garu, money is made by the corporate hospitals and brutality is faced by doctors. Unfortunately, even the media is not so kind towards it. No need to say anything about social media. As KTR sometimes says, it is anti-social media. Yes, towards doctors, this social media became anti-social media at the time of COVID. Even being a journalist for the past 35 years, I don't hesitate to say this. Journalism means you present the facts as facts, not fictitious things as facts. Unfortunately, when it took place in the period of COVID, డాక్టర్ల నిర్లక్ష్యానికి బలి, డాక్టర్లు చంపేశారు, ఎన్నో వచ్చాయి. అవన్నిటినీ చూసినప్పుడు sometimes I feel ashamed to be called as a senior journalist also, not to please you guys. This is something in my heart, I told you. Now we have sent links to you. This program is live streamed to your friends anywhere in the world can see if you share the link. I have shared it majority of the people. If you not have it, we'll share with you. Now the turn of honoring dignitaries. It will not take much more than 10 minutes. We'll finish it off. Next is honoring you, and be kind with us, be patient with us. After all, for your own honoring, if you are not patient, then whom to blame? So kindly be with us. We'll start with Dr. Sanjeev Singh Yadav Garu to be honored.
We from Mamta Fertility thank you sincerely for this work.
Happy Doctors Day. Good afternoon to everyone. And thank you so much to the Act Now Foundation and Murthy Garu and all of you, all the doctors. And this kind of encouragement makes us do more dedicated services to the patients. And I sincerely thanks all of you.
మనస్సంతా పద్మం వలె నిర్మలంగా ఉన్నటువంటి మన డాక్టర్ గారికి గట్టిగా చప్పట్లు.
Thank you, Murthy Garu, for this honor. I just realized I was here 2 years ago also. I had a fractured leg and came in a wheelchair and came down of the dais. I can't believe you called me again. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Manasa means మనస్సు నుండి ఉద్భవించినది. ఆమె ఏం చెప్పినా మనస్సు నుండే. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ మా. యువర్ ప్రెజెన్స్ మేడ్ అస్ మోర్ హ్యాపీ.
పైకి ఉద్ధరించేటువంటి మహానుభావుల యొక్క వారికి ఆదరంగా ఆహ్వానం పలుకుతూ గట్టిగా శుభాభినందనలు.
Hello everyone, happy Doctors Day to everyone. I'm Dr. Karthik. I'm ENT and a head and neck oncologist from TX Hospitals, and I'm very happy receiving this award, and I congratulate everyone, all the awardees for receiving this award, and I thank Act Now and also Murthy Garu for this opportunity. Thank you.
Dr. Naresh's efforts were very crucial. He was helping us a lot by so many advices and suggesting doctors. He was. Thank you so much for being with us.
Thank you, Murthy Garu. I gave those suggestions regarding the chair and shawl before I think I was the awardee. So that has been carried and he kept in his mind. Thank you, sir, for implementing. That was the well-being for every doctor who is receiving. And thank you once again, Act Now organization. I appreciate your efforts because I've seen you so active in the social media, WhatsApp, for the constant follow-up. And I have done my level best to give you just suggestions, but suggestions are very easy, everybody can give, but implementing and taking this forward is more important. And I definitely promise you, though I'm not a direct member of the Act Now, I'll be helping in all possible ways from here on. And thank you all the dignitaries on the dais. Thank you.
The reason for this is Lakshmi Divya is a person who is always with Act Now. Whenever, whatever, however, wherever we do. So give a big hand to Dr. Lakshmi Divya for Dharmic is the organization's name she is running, and a kindest lady, very friendly. Thank you so much, ma, for being with us.
Thank you for all the delegates for blessing us, Murthy sir and Act Now. We are always privileged and You always motivate us, sir, and keep us encouraging. We are so pleased and blessed today and made it more memorable. Thank you so much, sir.
First of all, happy Doctor's Day for all the doctors over here. Thank you, Murthy Garu, and thank you, Act Now, for honoring us. So this will definitely help us to motivate to do further good things in future. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Next, Vijay Deepika Garu.
Happy Doctors Day to everyone, and congratulations to all the doctors who are here. Aknav and Murthy Garu, actually you made us a day memorable. This is the second time we are here. All thanks to you, sir. And we three are together with Dermic Skin and Hair Clinic. We three are dermatologists together. So along with Acno, we would like to contribute from our side from now. Anything happening, please let us know, Murthy Garu. We would like to be with you all the time.
Thank you. Fantastic, excellent. Thank you so much, ma. No claps coming. Or you are very early for lunch. Still time there. So have lunch and leave. Dr. Latendu Kumar. లాలతేందు కుమార్.
వీరి ట్రీట్మెంట్ పిల్లలకు ఎంతో లాలన అందిస్తుంది కాబట్టి లాలతేందు కుమార్ అయ్యారు. గట్టిగా చెప్పట్లు వీరికి. లాలతేందు కుమార్ గారి యొక్క లాలన ఆలన పాలన అన్నీ కూడా అద్భుతమే అనేసి కితాబిస్తున్నారు మన కార్డియాలజిస్ట్ గారు. గట్టిగా చెప్పట్లు.
Thank you, Act Now. Thank you, Murthy Garu. And thank you all the dignitaries on the dais and our friends over there. And happy Doctor's Day to all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Next, Dr. Soma Shrikant Garu.
So, happy Doctor's Day, everyone. I am Dr. Soma Shrikant. I'm a surgical oncologist. I work at Yashoda. And thank you, Murthy Garu and Acno, for this privilege and for honoring me. Thank you very much.
Snitha is our director and honorary director and a kindest woman. MBBS, MS ENT Allergy, SPCT, FAM, MF CS Consultant ENT, Athletics, Facial Cosmetic Surgeon, AR ENT and Aesthetic Clinic, Abhinandan Jwala, Lanco Hills, Manikonda, Hyderabad.
I would like to thank ACT Foundation and Murthy Garu and all the dignitaries on the stage for this recognition.
Sound kon cheppettu.
This kind of appreciation makes us, motivates us to do a lot more good things. So thank you so much. Happy Doctors.
Thank you. Please award తీసుకుని వెళ్ళిపోకండి. We arranged lunch for you. After having lunch only you should go. At least now, clap, please. Great.
Happy Doctors Day to all, and I would like to thank ACNO organization and Dr. Murthy Garu and for honoring me, and I would like to thank my family members for their support. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Nikita Reddy Garu, she is MBBS, MS, OBGYN, that is obstetrician and gynecology, gold medalist, fellowship, minimally invasive gynecology, consultant obstetrician, gynecologist and laparoscopic surgeon, Kim's Cuddles Hospital, Hyderabad, Gachibowli. Definitely. Mr. Nikita Reddy. Mr. Rohit, where are you? Dr. Rohit. వచ్చేసారా?
దండలు మళ్ళీ మారుద్దాం, మళ్ళీ పెళ్లి చేద్దాం. ఇది యాక్ట్ నౌ యొక్క సాంప్రదాయం. ఇదే మళ్ళీ పెళ్లి అంటే.
Give a pose here. Come near. Yeah.
I would actually like to thank the organizing team for recognizing the effort. So most of us here were saying that, I'm getting a little emotional, but I was pregnant in COVID, and obviously I couldn't say no to my patients. So me and my kid went forward to spread smiles to a lot of patients. So I'm really happy that the organization is recognizing people and spreading smiles at doctors. I do have a 2-year-old toddler now, so because there was so much of uncertainty then on pregnancy and vaccines and treatment of COVID in pregnancy itself. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, ACNO, and thank you, Murthy Garu, for this opportunity. I wish all the doctors present here very happy Doctors' Day. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
పేరులో కారు ఉందని కేసీఆర్కి సంబంధం అనుకున్నారు. వీరి కారు ఎప్పుడూ రెడీ ఉంటుంది కాబట్టే కార్ రెడ్డి గారు.
Give a big hand, please. Next. Dr. Ratnanjali.
డాక్టర్ రత్నాంజలి గారు, అందుకోండి మా యాక్ట్ నౌ శుభ అభినందన సుమాంజలి.
Wow, fantastic. Again.
Thank you, sir, for giving me this award.
God bless you. Thank you. Yes. Azad Chandrasekhar. Is there?
Yes, sir.
Just be here, boss. Next to you only.
పీడియాట్రిక్ కార్డియాలజిస్ట్ తెలుసు, పీడియాట్రిక్ సర్జన్ తెలుసు, కానీ పీడియాట్రిక్ ఆర్థోపెడిషియన్ గట్టిగా చప్పట్లు కొడదాం. చిన్న వయసులోనే వంచి పడేసేటువంటి ఈ సర్జన్, సరి చేసేటువంటి సర్జన్. కమ్ 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 కమ్. నీకు ఇవ్వలేదనా అవార్డు?
Thank you for the award, sir, first of all. And చెప్పినట్టు as you already have talked so much about Doctors' Day and all that, I will tell that next generation అయితే kids ఉంటారో, as you can see my kid here. So I feel the most satisfying job is treating kids only, and also so many infertility specialists and all I have seen. That's a great thing they are doing, getting another generation into this world, and all of the doctors also are doing respective thing. And a madam became very emotional with her kid. I can understand your emotion, ma'am. So we are with you. We also had the same issues during COVID and all. We had this kid, this small guy. so I understand you. I absolutely understand you. And all the best to you and your kid. And all the best to all the doctors. You are doing a great job. We are all very happy to be associated with all of you. I hope we all keep in touch together. Thank you.
Thank you very much. No doubt the kids are our future, but they should not spoil our present. Fantastic. Now may I humbly call Dr. Azad Chandrasekhar, MBBS, MS, MCH, Surgical Oncologist, MS General Surgery Gold Medalist, MCH Surgical Oncology Gold Medalist, Associate Professor M&J Cancer Hospital, Clinical Director Oncology Department, Senior Consultant Surgical Oncologist, TX Hospitals, Hyderabad. Your director, Jayalalitha, is also honored by us here. Okay.
A warm, very good afternoon to one and all here. And warm, happy World National Doctors Day to all senior colleagues here and my dear doctor colleagues. And very much thankful to Murthy Sir Garu and ACNO organization for getting this thought and implementing to honor doctors, senior doctors and young doctors on this auspicious special day. It will give more and more energy and enthusiasm to give dedicated and committed services for better patient quality of care. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for this honor.
Dr. Padmaja, where are you? Randi. Hand please.
ఇలా చూస్తుంటే చాలా మందికి నెక్స్ట్ స్పౌజ్ని తీసుకొని రావాలని అనిపిస్తుంది.
మీ కవిత్వాలు ఫెంటాస్టిక్ సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ హియర్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.
సార్ అందరికీ హ్యాపీ డాక్టర్స్ డే సార్. అండ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ ACNO ఆర్గనైజేషన్ అండ్ డాక్టర్ మూర్తి సార్. అండ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ ఆల్ డెలిగేట్స్ సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
So happy Doctors Day to all of us. So first of all, I will extend my warm and heartfelt thanks to our ACNO organization, Murthy sir, and thanks to all the dignitaries over the dais and off the dais. Once again, happy Doctors Day. Thank you, Randa.
So sweet. Thank you so much. Who is next? Dr. Aditya Vikram. అందులో ఆదిత్య
విక్రమ్ గారు మనందరి గుండెల్లో మారాలి.
డాక్టర్ శ్రీనివాస్ ఉన్నారా? యా ప్లీజ్ కమ్ హియర్. నెక్స్ట్ యూ శ్రీనివాస్ తంకరి.
Well, thank you everyone here. Wishing everyone a happy Doctors Day. Feels great to be, appreciated for the efforts you do. It doesn't cost a lot, but it takes a lot of efforts. Thank you, ACNO organization. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Aditya Garu. And may I call Dr. Srinivas Tankari, who is MBBS, MS, MCH Neurosurgery, Consultant, Brain and Spine Surgeon, Specialist Pediatric Neurosurgery, TX Hospital, Hyderabad. Dr. Sridhar Maram. Dr. Sridhar Maram, please come here.
First of all, happy Doctor's Day to all my seniors and colleagues. And I'm very much thankful to ACNO organization for this awardee. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Garu. May I call Dr. Sridhar Maram Garu to come over to the dais? Dr. Jagadish Pusa, unnara?
Thank you very much, sir. This is my first award, actually. First award. Thanks a lot. And happy Doctor's Day to all. Thank you.
Fantastic. Thank you so much. Dr. Jagadish.
జగదీష్ పూస వీరు మన వైద్య రంగానికే మణిపూస.
Give a big hand, please. Dr. Rakesh. Rakesh Garu, be seated.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you, Murthy sir and ACT organization for such a fabulous award function. And the team is doing a wonderful job. And Rohit, and happy to see Gopi as a dignitary, and Aditya Kabra. I have seen them almost 7-8 years back.
Wow,
I met here once again.
Give a big hand, please.
Thank you so much.
Great.
Yeah. Dr. Stravani.
ఓహో అప్పుడప్పుడా
జబర్దస్తులోనే కాదు, రాకింగ్ రాకేష్లు యాక్నోలో కూడా ఉంటారు. రాకింగ్ రాకేష్లు.
Thank you, Murthy Garu, and all the delegates for the award. Happy Doctor's Day to all.
So sweet and short. Thank you. Dr. Sandeep Kundepi is there? Please come. Next, RK. Ma'am.
Sir, my name is Dr. Sandeep, sir. I'm a consultant psychiatrist. I work with Asha hospitals and TX hospitals, sir. So, the chinna short message entante we shall make mental health our priority, spread awareness and break stigma, sir. Right. Thank you.
What a magnanimous voice here. Thank you. May I call Dr. Ramakrishna?
Mental wellness is the root, physical health is the fruit. So all awardees, be ready for group photo.
Thank you, Murthy sir, and thank you all. Happy Doctor Day to all. Thank you.
Sorry. Okay. Now, Dr. Ravi Shankar Garu leaving. Give a big hand to him. Thank you so much, sir.
Happy Doctor's Day to one and all, and thank you ACNO and Murthy sir and all the senior colleagues for awarding me. Thank you.
Dr. Bhargav Vishnu.
Thank you, Akna. Happy Doctor's Day. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Actually, I didn't know about ACT before. Only after coming here, I came to know about it. I'm Dr. Srivani Karnav. I'm an integrative gynecologist, PCOS fertility specialist. So I'm not associated with any big hospitals, but I do my own practice. I do mostly through Instagram, and I have been helping hundreds of women suffering from PCOS to overcome PCOS naturally without medicines, attain natural pregnancy, and deliver healthy babies. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma. Congratulations.
గట్టిగా అభినందనలు ఈ శ్రీవాణి
And actually, I'm so overwhelmed to get honored in front of all the big dignitaries here. And thank you so much.
Fantastic.
And I don't know how you came to know me. Like
Srinivas.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. For that matter, I would like to clarify, we don't go to any doctor asking them to, boss, we'll give you award. We make doctors to refer, that references only we use, ma. We never approach any doctor directly, that is submitted for your kind information. Dr. Avinash Kumar Rai. Avinash, anybody else is there, please? Dr. Naresh Dude. Yeah. Oh, give a big hand.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ACT Now, for the recognizing the services and giving the guard. And happy Doctors Today Hall, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, now give a big hand. That should be the spirit. Anyone next, please? Dr. Somnath Garu.
Thank you, ACT and Murthy Garu, and happy doctors to all, even to non-doctors also, because they are helping the doctors.
Thank you so much, Somnath Garu, doctor. Next. డాక్టర్ సాయి మానస ఇక్కడే ఉండి రాకపోవటం ఏంటి తల్లి వచ్చేసేయండి సాయి మానస ధీమావాడు గివ్ ఏ బిగ్ హ్యాండ్ టు డాక్టర్ సాయి మానస
మనోహరం ఈ మళ్ళీ పెళ్ళి లైఫ్ ఈజ్ టు సెలబ్రేట్ వెన్ two doctors are there, that is more celebration. It's happening on the ACT Now platform.
He is very talented All of us know that.
ఎవరైనా వినకపోతే ఇంకొకసారి చెప్తారు.
And he's very supporting. He supported my career also. Even
And he should say something about it. Yeah.
షూర్ సార్.
Say.
అంటే ఇంకేమైనా చెప్పుద్దేమోనని వెయిట్ చేస్తాను. అయిపోయింది.
Brilliant husband.
thank you. Yeah.
So before saying about my wife, I just need to mention Happy Doctors Day to all. Chapatledu. So rather than happy, I just want to quote this. I prefer to change it as Respect Doctors Day, because after seeing lot of messages and status today morning, Happy Doctors Day from
Those who don't have respect towards doctors' fraternity, see, what is the fun of saying Happy Doctors Day? That touched me as of his wife, what she said to him, what he said to, purely publicly personal. Good day. Thank you very much for your quote. Now anybody left, please? Everyone finished? Will you all come forward for a group photo? Vinay Kumar, Ratan, nobody? Yeah, please join us for a happy
Best wishes to act now. Two thumbs good, let the thumbs up at it. Best wishes to act now and all the Abdul Kalam awardees on Happy Doctors Day. Happy Doctors Day. Happy Doctors Day.
Thank you very much for joining us, making this event a huge success. Each and everyone kindly go up one floor, have your lunch, then you leave. Thank you.